Hi, I'm David Howarth, and I'm going to kayak 60 miles. 60 miles! 60 miles! 60 miles! 60 miles! 60 miles down the River Trent from Nottingham to Gainsborough. I'm going to do it to raise funds for the Salvation Army's annual appeal. Annual appeal. Annual appeal. Which will help poor and needy and homeless men, women and children in the UK. Will you sponsor me? I've got my life jacket, first aid box, emergency whistle, rescue throw line, check, spare paddle, I think that's everything.
Have you signed the policy?